Good morning, everyone. I'm coming to you from sunny California. Currently on the way to Black Star Canyon. Go check out a little waterfall. Go for a hike. You may be wondering why my hair is done when I'm actually about to go for a hike. It's because I just got off of work. It is currently 7 in the morning. I got off of work a little over an hour ago. Went home, got some goodies. On my way to pick up a buddy. And off to Black Star Canyon. Now, let me show you what I got with me today. Wait. Hold up. Can you flip this up? I think I'm taking pictures of myself. Anywho, since this thing won't let me flip the camera, let me flip the phone. How do you do this? Alright, right over there. Hopefully you could kind of see. I got me my backpack with water inside. Got me some protein shakes, protein bars. Got a Gatorade back there. Picked me up this energy drink. Not sure. It's not at 7-Eleven. Seems kind of, I don't know. Thought I'd give it a shot. See how it tastes. A little high in caffeine. Probably what I need right now, being up since yesterday. We'll see how that goes. Anywho, currently am driving. See, sun's just coming out. Sunrise. Those little stuffy. So, yeah, it's kind of difficult to talk. But anyways, let's see. Should probably be paying attention more to the road than to the camera. Don't record and drive at the same time. Don't recommend it. Then again, do whatever the hell you want to do. Just a couple more minutes till we get there. So anyways, this hike's supposed to be about 4 hours? 4-ish hours? About 4 hours, I think. Not sure. Not much of a hiker. More of a runner, but unfortunately this trail that you gotta take up to the waterfall, you can't really run it. I attempted it once, ended up turning around. Way too many rocks. Jumped over them. Jumped off of them. I felt like a ninja doing so. No, I will not try out for American Ninja, whatever that show is. I'll probably embarrass myself. Like I am doing so right now. It's just a nice day outside. Thought it was gonna be a little cloudier, but it seems like it's gonna clear up. So, anyways, I'll see you guys when I get there. Enough for update for now. We'll see you soon. Alright. So, just arrived here. Just pulled up, parked. Can you guys see me? I don't know. How do people record with iPhones? As you can tell, I suck at doing this kind of stuff. Anyways, there I am. Oh, look, Chandra. We're waiting and waiting. So, let me break down what I have again. Since I couldn't really do so, don't mind that. That is not mine. That's the girlfriend's. So this is what I got today. Again, I am not a hiker. I'm more of a runner. I do enjoy trail running though. I do go for long runs on the trails. But unfortunately this trail consists of a lot of rocks that you have to climb over, and unfortunately I can't run it. But either way, I still packed up some stuff. Got myself 2 energy drinks. One for me, one for the buddy, in case he wants one, who knows. But I know I'm gonna need it. I have a long day ahead of me because after this hike, that's supposed to take like 4 hours. I'm going home, not to sleep, but to enjoy the rest of my day off. So I got these. Never seen them before, never heard of them. Seem interesting, thought I'd give them a try. Let's see what it got. 300 milligrams of caffeine, all this good stuff, some vitamins, some branched amino acids, some electrolytes, 0 sugar, 0 calories, 0 artificial flavoring, coloring. We'll see about that. Got myself 2 of these. Currently I'm fasting, haven't ate since last night. Going to break my fast mid-hike with one of these bad boys. 2 protein bars. Check it out. In this bag, I have a water pack full of water and some BCAAs. Give it some flavor. Open it up. I got some more goodies. I do enjoy to eat. I get really hungry. Got some Pinky bars. Let's see what else I got in there. More Pinky bars. More Pinky bars. And one of these bad boys. Hiking on food as if I was going to go for a long run. But I guess we'll see how that goes. So that's what I'm packing. Here he comes. Here comes sunshine. We'll see you guys in a minute. Alright. We're back. Frankie, say hi. We just made it to, where are we at again? Black Star Canyon.
Black Star.
It's pretty chilly out here. 50s?
Yeah, chilly.
Feels a little chilly. It's all good though. Are we gonna jog the first part of it?
Hell yeah, man. Just waiting for you.
So, we start jogging right now. Jog the first of it up until the Edge Swimming Trail that we're gonna do. See how we said we're gonna do this in about 3 hours?
2.5.
Two and a half.
2.5.
2.5.
So it's 7:40 right now. We'll be
So,
done by
what, 10 o'clock?
Yep.
So, hopefully, time ending 10 o'clock, 10 a.m., 7:40 a.m. right now. Hopefully, we can get it done. He said it. We're like hyped up on a shitload of caffeine. Again, we worked last night. We just got off at like 6 in the morning. Not even 2 hours yet. It's all good though. We got this. We got this. Look at that view. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that view. All right, okay. Let's get to it. We started jogging. It's kind of chilly out here.
gotta pee.
So we both gotta pee. Probably wasn't smart to drink all those energy drinks right now.
Yeah.
What are you gonna say?
That's it.
Ah shit, there's a fucking bug in my eye. Okay, it's all good. We got this. We're just gonna keep on going. Look at all that though. Look at that morning view. Come on, Frankie.
Hold on.
Whew.
Let me stretch my back.
You good?
Okay, let's go.
We just made it to the entrance of Black Star Canyon. How long did we run for?
25 minutes.
We ran for about 25 minutes here.
Give or take.
Around there.
Non-stop.
Non-stop.
That's what we do.
That's how we do it.
Alright, so
This is the beginning of the Black...
8:05, let's see how long it takes us.
What's up?
That's it, it's 8:05, let's see how long.
Alright. Oh shit. Oh fuck, my leg's already dead. Alright. So, let's see.
This way?
Yeah. Come on. Yep, there it is. Alright. Oh, there's a lot of water right now. More water than the last time I came. Last time I came, everything was dried up. There was no water at all. That's good news, right? That's good news. I guess we're gonna see a waterfall today, people. Fuck. Alright. I'm gonna let you guys go for right now. We'll be back in a couple minutes. I'm gonna get shit here. Alright. We've been at it for about 10 minutes, I think.
Who are you talking to?
To the camera.
Oh.
Who do you think I'm talking to? Come on, man. Get together. Following Frankie. The trail's actually pretty difficult. A lot of water also. Not too bad. Pretty slippery as well. Almost fell off a couple times. So far so good though. So we believe we took the wrong way, and this should happen. Great. It freaking hurts. It's either this, or eat shit and fall into the rocks. Ah, great. Freaking stings. Hopefully it's not infected. We have a long way to go now. Whew. So update, we're about 40 minutes in to the trail. Not quite sure how close we are to the waterfall, but unless this is it, but got a little more to go. Frankie, how do you feel? Frankie, how are you feeling? Dangerous. We good though. We got this. So we finally made it. 40 minutes later. There she is. That was a pretty tough walk. What'd you think, Frankie? Pretty tired though. As you can tell, it's like shit. So Frankie just told me to go to the water. Wait, are you doing it? Oh,
you
shit.
first.
Fuck. I don't know. I don't know if I'm down, dude. I don't know if I'm down. You gonna do it?
You go first.
You're not down. Alright, you got it? One of them.
Get wet.
Right, get up. What?
I don't want to get my shoes wet. Okay.
Do it. Oh, you're down. I don't have a case on my phone, that's why. His turn now. Come on, Frankie, go in more. Totally wasn't missing out on my sleep for this. I guess it's time for us to head back now. Whew. Shit was fucking cold. Yeah, that water was fucking cold, huh?
It was.
We're back.
44 right now.
44 minutes. We're still walking back. Pretty tired, hungry. Got a couple cramps here and there. Feet are soaked, but it's all good. Oh shit. Show you guys a little bit of the trail. Fortunately, I wasn't able to record more. If I did, I'd probably either eat shit or break my phone. Whew. Actually, how clumsy I am. I'm just slipping and slipping. I think we're almost back though. Aye. Let's see. Try not to drop the phone. I should probably invest in a GoPro if I'm ever doing this again, because I might drop my phone one of these days. Alright, we made it out. Made it back to the exit.
Alright, stretch out.
Frankie, how do you feel?
Feel good.
Man.
Low pressure on the knee.
That was pretty good. Stretch out for a little bit.
Get some water.
And then jog back to the car. It's about, what, 2.5 miles?
Yeah.
Less than 2.5?
About that.
Fuck. Check it out. It was a good hike. Guess you should check it out. Whew. The finish right there. We got this, Frankie.
Yeah.
Let's go. We made it. We got it. Shit. That was a good one. That was a good morning right there. What do you think, Frankie?
That was good.
Good stuff?
By weight.
Alright, so I just dropped off Frankie. Didn't get a last video with him. But anyways, I'm heading home. It was a good run / hike. We think it took us about 2.5 hours total time. It would have been a little less if we didn't hang around at the waterfall. But that was a good time. Totally worth missing my sleep. I'm actually not gonna go home and sleep. I'm gonna go home, shower, and go on with the rest of the day. So I'll be up for who knows how long. Go to sleep till I don't know what time. Luckily it's my night off, whatever. But totally worth the waterfall. Not sure if we'll do it again anytime soon, but anyone that's interested, Black Star Canyon, Silverado, California, you guys gotta check it out. It's a good spot. Just make sure you guys take the right trails. Unlike us, we took a couple wrong ways, and obviously I got cut a couple times. We almost fell off a couple cliffs, but it was a good time. Totally worth it. I feel pretty tired. Cramped up when I got to the car, trying to stretch. I ended up cramping up my hamstring, unfortunately. Could have been that I worked out last night, so I might be a little depleted, and the fact that I didn't eat or anything since then. All I had, I ended up having a protein bar when we got to the waterfall. That's all, and pushed it through there. But yeah, we'll go home, take a quick shower, feed up, because I am hungry. Might hit up the gym later tonight. But other than that, I guess that'll conclude the video. And for those that decided to stick around and watch the whole thing, or even if you fast forward it, comment below. Let us know. Let us know what kind of random shit you guys want to see on here. Because honestly, this is our first video. We had no idea what the hell we were doing. We don't know how to do videos. Obviously, I don't. Shit, I'm doing this on my iPhone, which I barely even know how to use. I'm not much of a tech savvy, especially when it comes to videos and all this rambling and so on and so on. But anywho, let us know, what are you guys interested in seeing? Just two random dudes doing random shit, I guess. I don't know. We'll probably do another hike soon. We'll see. We'll go explore somewhere. Maybe I'll record a Spartan race. I might have one coming up. Might be doing that. I did just run the LA Marathon. That would have been probably been a good one to record. But let us know. Let us know what kind of stuff you like to see, and we'll look into it. Again, comment below. Talk to us. Let us know what the world's interested in. And I should probably stop recording and talking to my phone while driving. I'm getting into an accident. Alright. See ya!